Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to draft this bralette pattern. So in this tutorial, everything will be provided step by step. But before we get started, please do not forget to give this tutorial a good thumbs up and also share. Before we waste any time, let's get to it. So guys, the first measurement we're going to need is of course our bust round circumference. Now I'm going to take my bust round divided by 4 and mine is 9 inches. Then draw a square of 9 by 9 inches. Once I am done, I'm going to divide the square into 4 equal parts. The next thing is to create the bend. I am going to take 1/4 of my bust round circumference and I'm going to subtract 1 inch. This is because the bend is going to be used on a stretch material. So I am going to mark the straight line and then extend the center point line or the center line to the bend. Now moving on to the bottom, I am going to mark 1 inch and this is going to be for the elastic casing that we're going to attach right on the underbust. Now right on the center front, I am going to mark 2.5 inches. So right on that point, I am going to mark 1 inch going in. So right on the 2.5 inch that I went in, I'm going to mark 1/2 inch in also. And then moving on to the top square, right on the right side, I'm going to divide the square into 4 equal parts also, as shown on the screen. From the center line, I am going to go or mark 1/2 inch going out, and then I'm going to connect these 2 points together with a straight line. And then from here, I'm going to curve the line, blending it with the underbust line. So guys, I'm going to divide this line into 2, create a marking, and then mark 1/2 inch. Then from that point, you want to connect these 2 points with a curved line. And this forms the center front cup. Now right on the top square, we need to divide this square into 2 or half. Right on that point, I'm going to mark 1/2 inch going out. So guys, right on the bottom on the elastic casing, I'm just going to extend the center line and then mark 1 inch from the center line. So these 3 points, this point and the one on top, we need to connect them together. So I'm just going to connect them with a curved line. I'm going to connect them with a curved line from that point all the way to the one at the bottom. Now moving on to the bend, the width of my bend is going to be around 2.5 inches. And then from that point, I'm going to just connect it all to the top of the cup. And this will form the armhole. So guys, right here I am going to remove 1 inch from the bend because it's going to be replaced by the hook and eye. So this 1 inch is going to be replaced by the hook and eye, and when I cut out my pattern, I'm going to cut it off. So guys, our pattern is complete. Now I'm going to trace off the side front cap and also the frame. As you can see that I'm highlighting it with a red marker, and it's definitely going to be cut on fold. So I'm going to take a new pattern paper, place it under the pattern and trace the side front cap and also the frame. So once I'm done tracing the center front cap and the frame, before I cut it out, I just want to add seam allowance on the side cap. Okay, just adding seam allowance of around 0.5 seam. So guys, these are all my pattern pieces complete. Seam allowance is included over here. So as you can see, when you sew this pattern together, you will notice that the tip of the side cap is actually hanging. This is where we're going to be inserting our ring so that we can attach the strap also. So guys, I am going to mark where I am going to attach my strap. So now I'm going to mark 2.5 inches from the band, and this is just to identify where my strap is going to be attached on the band. So I'm just going to create a notch over there, and please guys notice this notch, please transfer them onto your fabric. So guys, I'm going to take the cradle and mark on the fold. I'm going to mark 1/2 inch going up, and then I'm just going to use my curved ruler just to blend it onto the tip or right on the edge of the cradle. And then when you're done, you just want to cut out that excess piece. So guys, we are done with our cradle. So the next thing is I want to create a notch on the center front cap. Please guys, make sure that you do transfer these notches onto your fabric, as it's going to make it easier for us as we sew the bra together. So guys, stay tuned for part 2, where I'm going to show you how to sew this bra. As for me guys, see you on the next one.